Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today is a little garden update. I don't know what is going on with my peppers here, but I've had them for, oh hello Cinnamon. Go away from the peppers, away from the peppers please, go. Miss ma'am, thank you. I know some of it is the chickens, but I pretty much catch it right away. Also there's non-stop construction in the area. There's like 70 houses that are being renovated or worked on or whatever, so sorry about all the background noise. But yeah, so I don't know what's going on with the peppers. Something weird's happening. So I went to a local nursery out here called Gethsemane Garden Center and I got some more peppers. Just because something weird's happening and I want to make sure I have some peppers this season. So I did get some new peppers. Okay, so and I got two sunflower plants. What's happening? So these two are sunflowers just because I usually put a sunflower or two in my garden this year. Or in my garden, and this year I hadn't yet, so I grabbed two of them because they were on sale for 99 cents. And so I got an eggplant, and then I got orange bell peppers, a purple bell pepper, because I just thought that was pretty cool. So I got a purple bell pepper, and then I got a few more cucumbers. Yes, got some beans. Red peppers, and then Hungarian banana peppers. So as you can see, all of these peppers here are in a lot better shape than the ones I currently have in my garden. So we're just gonna move a few things around. So I'm just basically trying to figure out if I want to remove these old pepper plants and like put them somewhere else, like in a container or something, or if I want to leave them and just plant around them. That's kind of what I'm figuring out right now. Like I said, it's these 1, 2, 3, 4 plants there. I have all this space right here too. Yes, baby. Oh, you found some rocks? But yeah, so I have all this space here as well. But I don't know. I gotta figure it out. Maybe I'll just put them somewhere else. I don't know. Okay, so basically what I have decided is to just remove the old. I have two new pairs of gardening gloves. Don't ask me where they are. I don't know where either one went. Anyway. So cute. So cute? Yeah, so cute. Put Owen in here. You go right on that. Anyway. So what I decided to do is just take away all of the other pepper plants. I left this one. But like you can see a drastic difference, like just in the leaves color. You know what I mean? Like this is like a beautiful, rich, deep green, like how it's supposed to be looking. And that one just looks sickly. So I might just end up removing it completely. But for now, we're gonna leave it there, and I'm just gonna see if anything does start to happen. The purple bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, the Hungarian wax pepper, and then the red bell pepper. And the reason why they're planted a little more closely to each other is that peppers like to be planted closer than what the instructions say to plant them. Like they like to be friends, okay? They don't want to have 18 inches or whatever it is that it recommends to have between the plants. They actually do better when they're closer together, which is why it seems like they're kind of close. I mean, I feel like on camera they look like they're even closer than they are in person, but they are relatively close compared to my tomato plants that have a solid, 2 feet between them. But yeah, so they do like to be on the closer side, so I did plant them a little more closely together, and I think I'm gonna put a sunflower here and then a sunflower there as well. So we'll check in again for an update. Okay, so yes, I did put sunflower, peppers, sunflower, and then I did add another cucumber plant there and on this end as well. So now I have 2 different kinds of cucumbers. We'll see which ones end up growing. I feel like the ones I got today might be the ones that actually end up winning, but we shall see. And then over here, I did add the eggplant right here. So, because it was like a pretty decent sized space that I had that wasn't filled with herbs or anything. So I decided to put the eggplants there, and then obviously the beans went here on the opposite side of these honestly. Filming in front of my ivy wall because I feel like this aesthetic is everything. But that is it, guys, for this little new garden things. And I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like since there's been a whole lot more rain this year than sunshine, things are growing at a little bit of a slower pace than I'm used to. Like my tomato plants, even though they've grown a lot, they still haven't grown as quickly as I know they could be growing. So it's kind of weird. I'm gonna get some fertilizer for them and see if that helps aid things along. But yeah, that's it for everything new that I've planted. I'll keep you guys updated on the new pepper progress. I feel like the new ones are going to be just fine. Like I showed you guys the color difference between the leaves. Just that alone, you can tell that the new ones I got today were a much healthier plant. So I'm not really sure what went wrong with the other pepper plants, like if it was just a bad batch or what was going on, but yes, definitely going to keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next garden video. Bye.